In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for email signatures. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Settings icon in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select General, then open the Email section. Scroll down until you find Email Signature. From here, you can create or edit your signature. Enter your name, job title, company name, phone number, website, and any other details you'd like to include. You can also format the text, add your company logo, insert social media links, and customize the colors and layout to match your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Save to apply the changes. If you're using HubSpot's email signature generator instead, simply fill in your information, customize the design, and copy the generated signature. Then, paste it into your email client's signature settings, such as Gmail or Outlook. That's all it takes to set up a professional email signature with HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.